Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I will talk about what is Hajj, and before video I have described about when Hajj will be obligatory on you. So today we will learn about what is Hajj. Basically, Hajj is the sunnat of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. He built the home of Allah on the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said in Holy Quran, وَأَذِّنَ فِي النَّاسِ بِالْحَجِّ يَأْتُوكَ رِجَالًا وَعَلَى كُلِّ ضَامِرٍ مِنْ كُلِّ فَجٍّ حَمِيدٍ. So in this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell to Prophet Ibrahim, announce the Hajj from the people, and they will come to you on foot, on lean camels, and from distance way. So basically, when he built the home of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and we are going to visiting there, it's all process. It's obligatory on a person who can afford it and who can afford the journey. But it's all sunnat, the thing we are doing in the Hajj. It's all the sunnat of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Like we are doing running between Safa and Marwa. This is the remembrance, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, Bibi Hajara. She was the wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. So the running between Safa and Marwa, this is the sunnat of the wife of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Like we are doing this in the remembrance of her. And same like we are giving sacrifice. And on Hajj, it is also the sunnat of Prophet Ibrahim Islam. He was going to the sacrifice of his son, and we are doing the sacrifice in the remembrance of Prophet Ibrahim Islam. The third thing, the stone throw on devil, on shaitan. So it is also the sunnat of Prophet Ibrahim Islam. Like mostly things we are doing in Hajj, these all are the sunnat of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.